semolina starts to play. 50 grams of sugar falling from the sky. Vanilla sugar joins the fun and drifts on by. A little piece of butter jumps right in, spinning on the milky surface with a grin. Keep on stirring carefully and strong. A tasty supper won't be very long. Milk semolina rock, stir it more. Milk semolina rock, don't let it burn for sure. Cocoa or cinnamon, which one will you choose? Milk semolina rock, every spoonful's good news. Cook it gently over medium heat. The semolina grains are growing nice and sweet. Give it another stir or two. Creamy and smooth is what we'll do. If it's getting much too thick, add some milk, that's the trick. As it cools, it thickens more. Every cook has seen before. Milk semolina rock, stir it more. Milk semolina rock, don't let it burn for sure. Cocoa or cinnamon, which one will you choose? Milk semolina rock, every spoonful's good news. When the grains have soaked the milk, soft and creamy like fine silk, sugar or powder